So guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com, and then you can see this is search box. So click on this and then enter your model number of motherboard B650M D3HP AX, and then hit enter. Then click to see this is click on this. Then click on support. Select your operating system, which is Windows 10 11. So if you select any, because both operating system installations process same, select any Windows 10 and 11. VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So this is Wi-Fi driver, and this is size. Just click to download. So it is completed. Just double click Wi-Fi. You can see this is name and this is extracted. So you have to just double click. Otherwise you can extract to any specific folder and then you can launch. Otherwise you can. This is one time. Just double click to launch and then require administrator rights for yes and then click to yes. Now this is you can see this is installing. Okay, it will detect and it automatically close means this is installed. Okay, thank you.